How to change controls in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the game menu and select Settings. Next, scroll down and find the Visual Pad Layout option. Tap on Customize to access all the available control settings. Here you can adjust the layout, sensitivity and button positions to match your personal play style. Changing controls helps you move your character more efficiently, jump at the right times and react faster during races and challenges. You can customize each button individually and change the size of the on-screen controls for easier access. Take your time experimenting with these settings until you find the layout that feels most comfortable and responsive. After making your changes, tap Save to confirm your new control setup. Test your new settings in a race to see how they feel and make additional adjustments if needed. Proper control customization can significantly improve your performance in Sonic Rumble and give you an edge over other players. Now you know how to change controls in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.